Hello everyone, I will show you how to install extensions in Google Chrome. This is very simple tutorial. First of all, what you need to do is to open Google Chrome and search for Chrome Web Store. Tap on enter, and after that tap on it, Chrome Web Store, and after that will open to you like this. And if you scroll down, you will find multiple extensions you can upload. We have AI extensions, for example, and for example, if I want to download any extensions from here, I will tap on Zoom, for example, and after that tap on add to Chrome, tap on add extension, and as you see we download it from here. And now where you will find it is to tap on the three dots from here on the right top corner and tap on the settings on the last option, and you need to tap on extensions from here, and from here will show up to you all the extensions, and you will find the extensions we just installed. As you see we have it here, Zoom Chrome extension, and you can from here enable it or you can remove it. And if you want to find it here, open a new window, and after that tap on the extensions icon from here, and you can bin it from here. Bin this and it will show up to you here, and tap on it and you can use it easily from here, and click on it, and pretty much that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.